Hi, have you ever been to an Asian restaurant and the waitress gave you a pair of chopsticks, but you have no idea how to use them and you ask for a fork instead? You may wonder how to use or might already have an experience on trying to use them. So, what is the correct technique? Well, this is the purpose of this demonstration to show you how to master the chopsticks with the right technique. First, normally if it comes with the wooden ones, it's normally attached together, and the first thing you need to do is to separate them. After separating them, you may want to rub off the top a little bit so that some of the fine wooden particles will not fall into your plate while you're eating. Now we have separated them into two pieces. Let's talk about holding the chopsticks. Firstly, you can hold one of them like you're holding a pen or pencil, and you can hold in such a way that it's resting above your middle finger and your index finger is resting above the stick in a relaxed position. Now I'm going to show you where to place the second stick, but I'm going to put this one down first so that you have a clearer view. To place the second stick, you should place it between the thumb and the forefinger. Hold it firmly like this, and then it should rest at the tip of the ring finger, like this. I think this is a better view. Yeah. I'm going to bring back the upper stick, and so this is the correct technique to hold a chopstick. Now let's learn how to use them. You should be able to do this in a relaxed motion. You just apply a little bit of pressure from your index finger and to close the gap at the tip of the chopstick. And remember, when you're doing this, the lower ones remain unmoved, only the top one is moving. And repeat this motion until you feel comfortable. So now that you have learned how to use a pair of chopsticks correctly, you will be able to use it whenever you are given a pair of chopsticks. Now let me give you an example. So this is my lunch, my Sunday lunch. You can use a chopsticks to grab literally anything that's solid. You can grab rice and straight into your mouth. You can grab a chicken, slightly a carrot, or egg. So thank you.